Have you ever wondered why so many people try to make money on the internet and fail? The truth is simple, but no one likes to say. It's not a lack of opportunity. It's an excess of wrong information, promises of easy money, miraculous methods and shortcuts that lead nowhere. And meanwhile, time passes and life remains the same. But what if you decided now to stop following ready-made formulas and start building something real? Imagine waking up with the tranquility of knowing that your income no longer depends on a boss, a fixed salary, or the fear of being fired. Imagine having freedom of time, geography, and choice. This is possible but requires clarity, direction, and consistency. The good news, you can start from scratch, even today. But you need to understand that there are clear steps in this journey, and most people get stuck on the first. Stage 1. The 0 point. This is where you may be now. No extra income, no clear plan, just wanting to change your life. Only about 55% of people never leave this stage. Why? Because of fear, for doubts, and mainly because they do not know where to start. The internet is full of promises, but almost no real guidance. And the truth is, there is no magic formula. There is process. There is way. The first step is to identify a model that matches your profile. If you have a skill, writing, editing, drawing, programming, creating, there is someone ready to pay for it. But even if you don't have a technical skill or want something more automated, there are still alternatives. One of the most accessible paths today is digital entrepreneurship. With the advancement of technology and artificial intelligence, building an online business has never been more viable, even with little money in your pocket. But attention, the biggest enemy now is distraction. It's when you start something, a channel, a profile, a store, a course, but then jump to something else. You start excited, but don't hold the focus. Results: small gains that do not change the reality, and a growing frustration. This stage holds 28% of people who even started, but got lost in the middle. The truth that almost no one says. All methods work: drops, affiliates, info products, KDP, social media, PLR, but not all at the same time, and not for those who change strategy every week. The key is to pick a path and go deep. You need to stop collecting ideas and start applying consistently. Only then will you get out of stagnation and enter the group who really lives on income online. And if you are wondering where to start with more security, modern e-commerce, with AI and automation, is today one of the most effective and sustainable ways to create real income on the internet, even without stock or large investments. Now, tell me, which of these two stages do you believe you are living today? Comment below and share with someone who also needs to hear this truth. If you liked our videos written in the channel and activates the bell every week, we have new videos